Well, hello there, traveler. They call me Three Bean, and I'll tell you, right about now, I got a mighty fine hankering for some tasty victuals. And by the looks of it, you haven't had a solid meal yourself there, friend, for a few days. I'll make you a deal. You give me a couple of hits off that bottle you got there, and I'll whip you up the tastiest hobo stew you've ever had. All right, let's buckle up our boots, bindle up our sticks, and make our way down this train track here till we find a place to roll up for the night.
My philosophy degree, not what it's cracked up to be. Oh, these walls keep closing in. Trent University should have money back guarantee. Oh, these walls keep closing in. My lack of job skills is frightening me like a great white shark. Oh, like a zombie. Fine line between being a boy man and being a homeless bum. Oh, those baked beans, how I can taste them. I might be a hobo for life with a sharp ass hobo knife, stabbing people for nickels.
Well, friends, I think we found home for the night. We're gonna camp here under Highway 401, which just so happens to be the busiest highway in all of North America, which is perfect. Means a train should come by at some point. We can hitch a ride to the next town. First, let's start our hobo stew because I'm starving. All right, let me show you what we got. We've got a can of beans. We got ourselves a few potatoes, some liberated sausage, and an onion. This is gonna be the best hobo stew you've ever had.
Bindle sticks as far as the eye can see. Is that to be my destiny? Man, I really hate cream corn. So I'm making a delicious hobo stew. Is mulligan good for you? None of my compatriots have any teeth. I'm finding stuff that's easy for them to gum as we all chug hobo rum. Keeps our breath so fresh and clean. It's living in a hobo jungle like African lion safari. Somehow I do not think so. There's more trains than lions. There's no monkeys around, and they steal your shoes when you are sleeping. Living in the train yard, my ColecoVision I'd have to discard. There's no place to plug it in. Why didn't I pay more attention in grade 10 French? At the time it seemed kinda lame. My philosophy degree, why did someone not warn me? Not worth the paper it's printed on. Hobo for life. Hobo for life. I'm gonna be hobo for life. Hobo for life.
Tell ya, it doesn't get much better than that. That's my 4-ingredient hobo stew. Beans, potatoes, sausage, and onion. You won't get that in any 5-star restaurant. Well, I sure hope you guys had fun on this adventure. I know I did. And I hope to see you next time. My name's Three Bean, and I hope to see you on the next train. Take care. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank Mr. B.A. Johnston, undoubtedly the greatest musician to ever bless Canadian soil, for allowing me to use his song, Hobo for Life, for this video. So thank you, Mr. Johnston. I've been a fan for a long time. You'll find the links to his YouTube channel, as well as his other socials in the description below. Hobo for life!